lived in a cage, but I was content. I didn't complain, I didn't lament, nor did I ask for anything more, or wonder what wonders were outside the door. So there I was, perched, fine as can be, when a gentle voice said, "You should be free." He lifted me out and we started to roam. He carried me far away from my home. And when I saw all the sights of the world had, the thought of the cage made me terribly sad. We had quite a time. We laughed and we sang. He taught me life lessons and foreign slang. I learned to try new things and learned to be brave and internalize all the advice that he gave. Then sadly he said, "You have to go." My eyes filled with tears and my heart uttered woe. He gave me a kiss and placed me back in. The cage was no longer the home it had been. But I made a decision right here and then that one day I'd escape and be free once again.